to my channel, and before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And read article by Kanishka Singh. Washington. President Joe Biden, who tested positive for COVID-19 on Thursday, is improving in health, and none of his 17 identified close contacts have so far tested positive for the coronavirus. White House COVID coordinator just said on Sunday. She told ABC News Biden had a great day yesterday, was feeling well, and that Biden's close contacts were continuing to follow the protocols of the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Biden, 79, had mild symptoms, according to the White House. His diagnosis comes as a highly contagious subvariant of the coronavirus, drives a new wave of cases in the United States. Jha told CBS News on Sunday that Biden likely has that BA.5 variant and that he had an upper respiratory infection. I checked in with his team late last night. He was feeling well. He had a good day yesterday. He's got a viral syndrome and upper respiratory infection. That is, and he's doing just fine, they told CBS News. The White House has hoped to underscore Biden's ability to work through his illness. On Thursday, it released a video of him reassuring Americans he was doing fine, and on Friday, he participated in virtual meetings with White House staff. The White House has not said where Biden contracted the virus. He recently returned from a trip to the Middle East and held public event before that trip in which he had close personal interaction with scores of people. Biden's diagnosis is the latest challenge he has faced amid threats to his policy agenda on Capitol Hill and high inflation pushing his fellow Democrats at rise of losing control of Congress in the November midterm election. President Joe Biden, who tested positive for COVID-19 on Thursday, is improving in health, and none of his 17 identified close contacts have so far tested positive for the coronavirus, White House COVID coordinator Jha said on Sunday. Jha told ABC News Biden had a great day yesterday, was feeling well, and that Biden's close contacts were continuing to follow the protocol of the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Biden, 79, had mild symptoms, according to the White House. His diagnosis came as a highly contagious subvariant of the coronavirus, driving a new wave of cases in the United States. Jha told CBS News on Sunday that Biden likely has the BA.5 variant and that he had an upper respiratory infection. I checked in with his team late last night. He was feeling well. He had a good day yesterday. He's got a viral syndrome and upper respiratory infection. That is, and he's doing just fine, that told CBS News. The White House has sought to underscore Biden's ability to work through his illness. On Thursday, it released a video of him reassuring Americans he was doing fine, and on Friday, he participated in virtual meetings with White House staff. The White House has not said where Biden contracted the virus. He recently returned from a trip to the Middle East and held public event before that trip in which he had close personal interaction with scores of people. Biden's diagnosis is the latest challenge he has faced amid threats to his policy agenda on Capitol Hill and high inflation, putting his fellow Democrats at risk of losing control of Congress in the November midterm election. Okay guys, that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.